Hi there, welcome to Techposts Guides, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own Wi-Fi repeater using a small ESP8266 module. This is a very easy guide and you can set up a wireless mesh network around your home and run guest networks for IoT devices which are less secure and also mobile devices, or you can share that Wi-Fi information, the passwords, with any guest who comes and asks for Wi-Fi password. It will make your actual Wi-Fi secure from any type of attack. So let's get started with this video and let me show you how it's done. Besides making your Wi-Fi secure from IoT attacks, this Wi-Fi repeater can also help you extend the coverage area. And this small module works with a small power bank also. So in case you need decent Wi-Fi reception from corner to corner, especially for your IoT devices such as smart bulb, you can create 2 or 3 of these cheap DIY Wi-Fi repeater / extenders and place them all around your house. And as I said, you don't need to worry about power plug. Just connect it to any power bank and it will work continuously for days. Now to build one, you need these 4 files. Download them, the link is in the description. Extract them on the desktop and then open this zip folder to install CH340 driver. Just open it and click install. After this, connect your ESP8266 or NodeMCU to the system using the micro USB cable. Then open this folder and run flash download tool as an administrator. Check first 2 boxes and then click these 3 dot buttons beside the box. Choose 0x00000.bin file and then click on the second button and choose 0x02.000.bin file. Also enter this bin file name in the adjacent boxes. So in the first box you have to enter 0x00000 and in the second 0x02000. Make sure you have checked both the boxes and then choose the crystal frequency. You can choose either 40 or 80. I have selected 80. Then choose the SPI mode as QIO, or you can select the DO mode also if this doesn't work. But for now you have to select settings as shown in this video and then select the COM port. If the COM port is not visible, check the USB connection to your NodeMCU or reinstall the drivers and then restart your system. Once you have selected the COM port, just click flash and rest will be done very quickly. You have to wait for a moment and then you have to close this flash tool. Also disconnect your NodeMCU from the micro USB cable and after waiting for 5 seconds, connect it again to any power source or a power bank. Now at this moment you will see a blue light lights up with full brightness. So on your PC, open the Wi-Fi settings and connect to my AP. This is an open network, so it doesn't require password. Once you are connected, open the web browser and go to 192.168.4.1. This page will load and here you need to enter your current Wi-Fi network name that you want to extend. So be sure to enter it correctly. It's case sensitive, and if your Wi-Fi SSID or the Wi-Fi name has spaces, use %20 for the spaces like I did here for Techposts space 2.4 GHz. So I have put %20 instead of spacebar. Then enter the Wi-Fi password and click connect. Now at this moment your NodeMCU will restart. So again you have to go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to my AP again. Then again go to 192.168.4.1 and this time give a name to this ESP8266 based Wi-Fi repeater and choose security as WPA2. Enter a password to protect it and click set. It will again restart and at this moment you have configured your NodeMCU and it's ready to work. So open your Wi-Fi settings on your PC or mobile phone and check the network. You will see the ESP network in your Wi-Fi settings. In my case, I've given it a name ESP space repeater, so it is here. So select it and enter the password that you set earlier, and as soon as you do that, you will be connected to the network. Now once connected, you can access the internet without any interruption, and looking at its size, it works great. The average speed you will get is around 2 to 5 Mbps, which is good enough for streaming YouTube videos and browsing web, and it's perfect for all the IoT devices that you may have installed in your house or around your house. I don't know how you use them, so you need to make sure that you don't connect these IoT devices directly to your Wi-Fi network where other devices such as your mobile phone, your laptop is connected. Instead, you can buy a Wi-Fi repeater or just build it yourself. It's so easy. Please share your thoughts on this and whether you will be building this Wi-Fi repeater or not. Now, if you are interested in IoT, I have a few videos that you may like to watch, so the links are given in the description. So basically you can build Alexa and Google Assistant controlled Wi-Fi switches that works over the internet from anywhere in the world, just like your smart bulb or plug. So yeah, please watch those videos also and get a NodeMCU module. It's very cheap. It is available for like $5, so you can get it. It's very cheap. In India it's available for like 250-300 rupees. So get one and start building projects. Learn something new in this corona period, COVID-19, until the lockdown is open. So yeah, why not? So now that you have made a Wi-Fi repeater, let me know what you are going to do with this. So this was all in this video, guys. I hope you liked it. Please like this video, share this video, and also subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.